All right. Happy Friday, everyone. Let's get after it. I'm Andrew. I don't want to work anymore. I'm gonna start the chat. Hello. Friday is here, man. And I'm working from home today, so I'm super stoked about that. And I need to get my YouTube over there. There it is. And I'm already waiting for a drop here. So I got my 7 to 9 laid out. We've already taken that low, and we have a fair value gap here that's been inverted. I'd like to come back to it since I missed this move, and I don't like taking trades before the market opens. I've been burned doing that too many times. So other than that, because we had this power 3, this drop, and I'm expecting higher prices until we get up into this area, then maybe coming back down. So it's kind of neutral. We are bearish, and I think if anything, we're gonna have to move up, take London lows or London highs, and punish some of these people that have their stops up at any of these levels at the top, and then we'll see. So I'm not expecting a whole bunch, but we do have this large consolidation. Basically, if you're looking at the 15-minute, we've been tracking sideways since the end of Wednesday. Basically, not a whole lot of movement. So maybe we take out these lows and come down below the 50% of the weekly range, which is this right here. Actually, from the top here to here, come down and bounce the weekly range, and then maybe close around the 25% mark. All speculation, so we'll just have to wait and see what the market gives us this morning. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I would prefer to take a long if we can get back down into discount here, and then look for basically London highs. I think is a pretty strong draw on liquidity right now, and there's a nice 1 hour FEG up there. New day opening gap is right here, and there's also a small 1 hour FEG right here too. So the draw is higher. Just see if we can come down first into a discount a little bit first. So that's the game plan. We got 4 minutes till open, so we'll just have to wait. I did win my trade yesterday. So where was that? Let's go have a quick look. We got 3 minutes. Turn this on. The AM. Yeah, I believe I got in somewhere down here. I think once this candle closed above this FEG here, we inversed it, I took a position there, and then when we dropped down, I took another long. So 2 positions there, and then we ran up, and this run up here, I started trailing my stop. So it was here, and then we made this FEG here, so then I trailed it up there, and then we got higher, and I don't believe, I may have moved it up to here, and then this candle took me out. Yeah, 23,383. So let's see here. Let's get the price tool. Just 13 points away from my TP. So I was able to get, let's see here. I need that tool again. I'd say the average price probably would have been like that. So about 56 points with 2 contracts. So bringing my total back up to 27.29. So I'm still down like maybe 150 bucks from the beginning of the week, but doing good, and then we're going to get a prop firm challenge probably this week. Maybe today I'll buy it later. And I'm gonna go with alpha futures. So we'll get started. Trading rules, we can look at those in a little bit. Standard account overview. Profit target 3K. So I think that would be a good target for my account before I get a prop firm challenge. Oh, there's the drop that I wanted. What time is it? We're still a couple minutes before the open. I'm real tempted to take this position right now. And there's the open, dropping down. We have a little FEG here. Coming right back up. Just gonna be patient here. Really want to hit, we got relatively equal lows. If we can get a setup in here. Okay. Off to the races. Opening price would have been right about here. Come on. Long wicks today. Don't even have any FPGs on the 15-second chart yet. That wolf. How you doing, my friend? What's going on, bro? What's happening today? I'm looking for a long in here, but I'm not seeing anything. Lots of long wicks. Nothing concrete for me to trade. What are you looking for? Kind of looking at two things. I'm looking at either coming down and taking some sell side before going higher, or going higher and then closing around the opening price here today. So not a large range to work with. I don't see all-time highs being broken today. Longs below. Yeah. Lots of longs down there. Might be ready for a long here actually. That was my opportunity right there. Happened pretty fast. See if we get another chance. That's the one I was looking for. Like that. I'll take that. I think I need more though. Let's measure this range out. Yeah, I think I want London highs. No, I don't want London highs. I'll just take these guys right there. These ones look nice too. They all look nice. Turn these settings down. Gonna wait, man. Didn't really get a FPG on the 1 minute, but I saw this little on the 15-second consolidation, manipulating down, looking for higher prices, just a little bit, but we'll see. How was your day? My first lost. There we go. Got 50% of the 4-hour wick. It's a 1 minute FPG breaker. All kinds of sell side to target. What's going on? You sleeping over there? I didn't get to the gym today. I did have a longer walk with my dog, but you know, he did not poop, so that's fine. So I gotta take him out again. Just wants to sniff everything and eat all the garbage that people throw around on the street. Gotta run. See you next week, bud. Have a good one. We'll catch you next week. I'd like to take a long here. I'll wait for this FVG to get in burst. And if not, then we'll take a short if we break below this one right here. Let's draw that out. No, that's not where I want it. Like that. Make that black. So far respecting this first presented fair value gap. Almost filled the top of it. Uh-oh. Okay. We're in. I'm not very talkative today, so I'm just gonna end the stream.